Most Chevy key fobs have a seam. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or coin into the slot to gently pry the case open. Some models, particularly older ones like the 2015-2019 Cruise, may have small Phillips screws that need to be removed first using a jeweler's screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the plastic casing during this process. For newer models like the 2025 Blazer, the design might be more modular, allowing for easier, tool-free opening. Once the case is open, locate the coin cell battery. It's usually a CR2032 3-volt lithium battery. Note the orientation of the old battery with the positive plus side facing up. Use a small tool to carefully pop out the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Avoid touching the battery contacts to prevent corrosion. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the key fob's functionality by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. Dispose of the old battery properly as electronic waste. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the case is fully closed.